Hi, this is Mrs. Sutherland, and I want to share with you today how you can access some ebooks. I know that you know that epub exists, but the Indiana State Library provides for you and all people in the state of Indiana a lot of really good material on their state website. They do have a section of ebooks that you may be interested in looking at. So if you go to the library website and on the home page, like right here, in any of your elementaries, when you scroll down, there will be a link that looks like this. It's called Inspire. Now, it may be in a different spot, whether you're at Morris Hill or Aurora or Manchester, but when you click on it, it will take you to this page. And this is the main page for Inspire, a service of the Indiana State Library. Now, to get to the ebooks, one of the easiest ways to do that is to go into the database's A to Z section. When you go into there, you're going to scroll down, it's alphabetical, and you're going to go to ebook K-8 collection. Now, this does have kind of a Netflix interface in the very first page, but that doesn't last very long. But nevertheless, there are around 15,000 books in here that you can borrow. One that comes to mind is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. They have every single Wimpy Kid book is in the State Library collection. And if you look it up, like for instance, here is The Getaway, and you click on it for some details, and you can see as you scroll down, right down here, it says unlimited user access. That means every single one of you can read this book right now at the same time. And that is really fabulous in ebooks because it's hard to find that. Now, to look at this book, you're going to go over here to epub full text, and that will open the book basically. And so you can read through by clicking through the pages. You can enlarge and reduce. Some pages may be blank at the beginning, don't forget. So you're just going to keep going through. And I will say it's disappointing, the interface, because it doesn't fit very well with it. So like there's an overlap here for some reason. So you may have to reduce a little bit of it to get it in. And some of that is because they've changed the font on some particular words. And so you can click through and read that book, Wimpy Kid. So that's one book that I know that's in there. But let's go back to a new search. New search will take you back. Make sure you're in the K-8 ebook collection. And you could look up, for instance, realistic fiction. Realistic fiction is there's a video that I'd like you to watch for you to learn about. It's usually true stories, true tale, not true as in factual, but things that could happen today, things that are similar to how you live and work and breathe. And so it's a fictional story, but it's set in kind of a real time period, a current time period. And so as you go through here, you can kind of see which ones they have, and there's a huge variety that you can pick from. And that is one way for you to access books even when you can't physically check out. Now, if you look up mystery, now there are 590 mystery items. You may want to narrow your search, and notice over here you can narrow by the year. You could narrow by topic. Okay, so if you narrow by topic, we're going to click on the See More, and there are detective and mystery stories. So I do want a detective story. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see a fishy mystery, Mystery of the Turtle Snatcher, Rainbow Mystery. So there's a few here that you may be interested in exploring. But that's how you're going to access the ebooks from the Indiana State Library, and so you can find some independent reading.